Hello guys, it's me again and welcome back to my channel, which is Sumit Nodal. So today here is one update from the CSIR, Council of Scientists and Industrial Research, which is recruiting in the post of scientist for the various department, and the total number of vacancy is 18, which is further classified into according to their reservation status. In that 10 is for the unreserved category and 3 is for OBC category, 3 is for AC, 1 ST and 1 for economic VAC section, which also includes 4 backlogs, which is further classified into 3 pay level 11 for the designation scientist, for level 12 for the designation senior scientist, and for the level 13 principal scientist. And for the level 11 essential minimum qualifications would be the MTech and PhD. In that, PhD also science and only applicable. In that also, PhD student, those who have submitted their thesis alone, are eligible for the level 11. And the upper age limit for the level 11 is the 32 years, and indicated monthly gross salary is 90,000 approx. Similarly, for the level 12 is the post for the senior scientist, and in that essential minimum qualification is PhD in engineering, PhD in science and MTech. For the PhD engineering, they need not to have the essential minimum experiences, but for the PhD in the science and MTech, they should have 2 years in the relevant area for the PhD science student and 3 years in relevant area MTech student. And for them, the upper age limit is 37 years, and their indicative monthly gross salary is rupees 1,05,000 approx. And for level 13 is the post for the principal scientist and for PhD, and they should have, other than this, essential minimum experience area, and their upper age limit is 45 years, and their gross salary is rupees 1,17,000 approximately, which is further given in details according to postcode. And in that postcode, how many vacancies is there, for which category it is there, and what is their pay level or post, and their essential educational qualification and experiences, their desirable qualification. After fulfilling essential qualification means, suppose you fulfill this essential educational qualification and experience, then they must also have the desirable qualification. Otherwise you are not applicable for. And respective job description is given, means once they get selected, what they are supposed to do in their field. So this column explains their respective department. So when you scroll down, you will be getting category wise, their post wise, and what level, what is their desirable qualification, what is their essential qualification, and what is their job description, means what they are supposed to do once they get selected. So you just go out and check it out, all the things. If you think your application has been already started from 29th of May, and the last date is 28th of June. And there is a one important notice that please keep that in mind. When you make the DD for this, you make sure you are writing your candidate name, application number, postcode applied for in the behind of that DD for rupees 10 on the light on the some important points. And there is some terms and conditions is there, so before you apply, you please put some light on these terms and conditions. Okay, so the official website is also given over here, which is the www.nma.org. in this PDF, down in the last page of the PDF, you will be getting the link for applying this. So once you think that if you are eligible, please go ahead and apply online before 28th of June evening 5 o'clock. So thank you. If you like the video or information of this job notification, please do like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. So I'm signing out until bye bye.